Well, welcome and thank you for joining us today to honor Jennifer for receiving the Student Organization Advisor of the Year Award. Congratulations, Jenny. Jenny, what has been your experience advising the club?
It's been so rewarding seeing how fast the club grew, especially during a pandemic. So like virtually, like they were able to get over 20 students involved, and knowing that these extra students are getting those leadership skills that they're going to need, getting connected. A lot of the students in there are freshmen, so they haven't even been on campus. So knowing that they have this club to be connected with other students, and when we do go back in person, they'll already have that connection. So it's just really rewarding that we were able to reach those students. And
Something that your nominator said was, I think Jennifer is a rock star in her role with TRIO. She's a new club advisor, and I think she's a great example to other faculty and staff that you can do your job and assist students with their co-curricular development as well. I think she has had a hand in the fact that Cougs LEAD started and has had such a strong presence. I know that the students deserve all the credit, but I believe Jennifer played a significant role behind the scenes, and I think so too. But I really think that that statement is important because it shows that you can have an impact on our students in your professional role. You know, that's what we're all here for, but as well as outside of your professional role. And I really hope that your experience and any of our other club advisors, we have so many great ones. I just hope that that encourages more faculty and staff to want to contribute to our student clubs in that same capacity.
something that I really like about this being in this role is that when I was in my undergrad, like it took me a while to step out of my comfort zone. And it wasn't towards like the end of my undergrad where I really got involved with student organizations, student like government position, officer position in clubs. And I really enjoyed it. And I told myself I should have done this before. And now that I'm in like my professional position in my job, and knowing that I can still get involved with the students, I feel like it's rewarding for me to be able to still have that experience, but as well as making that connections with students and creating that sense of belonging that they can relate to us, even though we are professionals and like we were once in their position as students.
Hello everyone. So yes, Jenny. So Jenny is actually a great support system. And something I really appreciate is having such a fast response at all times. So whenever we need help or we need input or we need feedback, she's always willing to give it, and she's always honest as well. But she also lets us really like be creative, and she really encourages us to do that as well. So she's a great advisor, and hopefully next year it's even better. But yeah, thank you, Jenny, for all of your work and for just being there for encouragement.
Thank you for your kind words.